Hi, I'm DMac with VerifyiQ. VerifyiQ is the premier practice management solution for the modern accounting firm using QuickBooks Online or Xero. Welcome to our setup series. Here we will be discussing your frequently asked questions.
In today's video, I am going to show you how admins can act as managers. Historically, those two roles have been separate, but due to your requests, we have changed some things within VerifyiQ in order to allow admins to act as managers. Currently, I am on the second tab, Managers and Associates, and you can see I have searched for myself, my admin role, and you can see that I am assigned to all clients. This allows me to administer VerifyiQ for all clients. It does not allow me to work within the client file. So in order to do that, come over to the first tab, the Clients tab, use the search box to find the client you're looking for. Click the three dots, Assign Manager and Associates, and you can see I've already assigned myself as a bookkeeper and as a manager, but I as an admin, if I want to work on this client, I need to make that specific assignment here. So I'll find my admin role, I will add it, I will click Save, and then now I, the admin, will be able to act as a manager on this particular file. Therefore, when the bookkeeper starts the review, they will be able to select me as the reviewer and send me the review after they've made their changes. So that's today's video. I hope you like it. Please click to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, please drop them in the box down below and we will do our best to answer them as quickly as possible.
Thank you. I'm DMac from VerifyiQ.